Ask Doug, how to understand what I owe on my explanation of benefits. I have a global employer medical insurance policy, Doug. I received my explanation of benefits, or as we call it, EOB, statement from my international insurance company shortly after my doctor's appointment in the United States, Doug. I don't understand what some of these dollar numbers mean. Can you explain how to read the statement and find out if I owe any money to my doctor for the medical service that I received, Doug? That's a great question, Fred. Let me answer your question in 3 parts. Let's go over definition of the explanation of benefits, also known as EOB. Many people think that the explanation of benefits, also called EOB, is a bill from the doctor or medical facility. But it is not a bill, Fred, and it is not from your medical facility. Your EOB provides you the information to make sure you are not being overbilled for the services you received, are not getting billed for a service that you did not receive. Your EOB, Fred, also will show you discounts you may have received due to using in-network providers when you use your global employer or employee medical insurance. Fred, your EOB can also show you the amount you owe to your medical provider. Look at one area of your explanation of benefits to answer your question. As you look at your explanation of benefits, you will see a section called Your Responsibility. This section includes deductible amount, copay amount, coinsurance amount, amount not covered, your total cost or patient responsibility. Let's highlight these areas, Fred. Deductible amount applies to services that don't have copays. It is the amount you must pay first at 100% up to whatever the deductible amount is on your international insurance policy. This would be for diagnostic labs, work, and other screenings. Once your deductible has been paid for the year, Global Employer Medical Insurance Company will pay their portion, Fred. The amount of the deductible will vary depending on one's international insurance plan. For example, Fred, your deductible is $3,000 per calendar year. Once that amount is paid, any amount after that is covered by your global employer or employee insurance company. Coinsurance may be included. Copay amount is the amount that you will pay anytime you see a doctor or pick up a prescription again. This amount is based on your international medical insurance policy. Coinsurance is the amount that you would pay, if any, after the deductible amount is paid in full. For example, your global employer group medical insurance company may have a $10,000 coinsurance as part of your benefit policy. Your global insurance company will pay 80% of the bill, and you will pay the 20%. You both are sharing in the cost up to the $10,000 amount. In this example, Fred. After that $10,000 coinsurance amount is paid for, during your calendar year, your international employee insurance policy will cover the rest of the medical costs according to your schedule of benefits. Amount not covered, the medical services or medical products that your global employer insurance company does not cover, but was used in your treatment. This part you will need to pay in full, Fred. These types of medical products could be for things such as vitamins or over-the-counter drug. Sometimes, Fred, these medical products and medical services are not covered because your international employer group insurance company needs additional information. If that is the case, you will find a code on your EOB that explains why the item or service was not paid. Now let's go over your total cost or patient responsibility. This is the cost of what your medical provider of the medical service that you received has a right to bill you. The bills you receive from your U.S. or overseas medical provider should match the patient responsibility on your EOB. Walk through your $30 copay amount that you provided to me via your explanation of benefit statement. Now, Fred, I know that was a lot to take in. If you need more information on what we have been sharing about your global medical insurance, EOB, please inform me. All right, Fred, let's look at your $30 copay you asked about. We see on your EOB that your $30 copay is under your responsibility, which is why we also see $30 in the section of your total cost. So what this means, Fred, is that you will be receiving a bill for $30 from your doctor soon. Verify the $30 charge on your EOB with the doctor bill and go ahead and pay for the services or service you received. Fred, if you already paid this amount at the doctor's office at the time of your visit, then the insurance company is saying at the section of your total cost is what you should have paid for that medical visit. Change is always in the air. So please check our webpage at www.gninsurance.com/group-health for the most up-to-date information on your global employer medical insurance. Or call us at 480-813-9100 or toll free at 866-636-9100 or email us at info@gninsurance.com. Your GNI team here in Gilbert, Arizona wish you and your family safe and awe-inspiring expatriate travels.